Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I do nails and I run Sunflower Nails on Etsy. Today I will be doing, in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these flower rhinestone ombre nails. And I think that's all. So I will just get straight into the video and talk to you guys at the end. Starting this video off, I'm going in with my favorite base, top coat. I already have this applied before I started this video. It is Gelish Creme de la Femme, and I just put that on all the nails. And now I'm going to go in with the Beetles Drama Queen liner brushes. I have them linked below along with everything else I use in the video. And I'm just taking it on a makeup wedge I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to use that to ombre out the glitter. And I'm doing that to every single nail. I'm going to show you just the thumbnail, and then I will speed up the rest of the nails after I explain what I'm doing. After ombreing that out, I'm going to go in with the Beetles top coat and just put it halfway up the nail so the gems can still adhere to the glitter, but I also still am able to do all the top coating beforehand, and that way I don't have to top coat the gems and the rhinestones. After curing that top coat, I'm going to go in with the Macart Rhinestone Glue Gel, and I'm going to go in with these flowers from Temu. I'll have them linked or something similar linked below. I'm using the purple, pink, and white flowers for my nails. I'm going to go in with this wax pencil too to pick up the flowers. So I'm going to start with the pink since I only have the large pink flowers. And I just cover the whole tip of the nail in rhinestone glue where the glitter is to place all the rhinestones on. And I'm going to do it all in one go. I'm not going to cure in between each rhinestone. After the gel is all applied, I'm going to go in with that first pink flower rhinestone, and I'm going to put it on the right side of the nail, and then I'm going to going in with a small white flower and putting that on the other side so it's kind of zigzag up the nail. Ended up sticking to my finger, so I kind of placed it with my finger and then moved it around with the wax pencil. And then I'm going in with a large purple flower back on that right side above the pink one, and then pushing it so it's like zigzagged. It's the best way I know how to explain it, so. Now I'm going in with the Jelly AB rhinestones I have. I'm going in with this dark pink. I pointed to the light pink, but I didn't end up using the light pink, the light purple, and the white. And I've realized the more rhinestones you put in between the flowers, the sparklier it is. So I would recommend putting quite a few, but kind of scattered so they're not all in one place. So I put one on the tip of the nail, and then one under a few flowers, in between the flowers, and then kind of like you would do the ombre with the rhinestones, like one up, one down, one up, one down across the nail, with some spaces in between the up and down parts. After the rhinestoning is done, I am going to go in with these little tiny like rainbow caviar beads, but they're not metal, they're plastic, but they're like rainbowy. And I'm just going to fill in all the rest of the gaps on the tip of the nail and put a few scattered near the bottom. After all of them are placed, I am curing the rhinestone glue gel for 60 seconds. After being cured, I'm going to go ahead and put these pointy back rhinestones that came in the flower set in the big flowers and the tiny silver caviar beads in the small flowers. And I'm just using a tiny bit of rhinestone glue gel in the middle of each of the flowers to get them to stick. Once those ones are in, I do take a tiny little piece of paper towel with a little tiny bit of rubbing alcohol, and I use that to press the rhinestones in and clean up the excess rhinestone glue gel. And once that is cured, you just repeat it on each of the nails you want to do it on, and then you are done. I'm just going to speed through the rest of the video, and I will see you guys at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below any videos you would like to see or nail ideas you would like me to try. Don't forget to subscribe, and all my social medias are linked down in the description, along with my Etsy where I sell press-ons. You can order these if you would like, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.